Hey everybody, Gage from Sharp here today to talk to you about the Gyuto. So the word Gyuto translates to beef or cow sword, and while to some this would imply that the knife is solely for larger butchery tasks, it is certainly not limited to just that. It is the most versatile knife shape available and is an essential for the professional cook/chef. The profile of the knife is generally flat towards the heel and curved up slightly towards the tip. This makes the knife adept at that up and down push and or pull chopping motion in addition to that rocking motion. So depending on your personal preference or the task at hand, either of these styles of cutting can be used. It will also depend on the exact knife that you choose, of course, as each blacksmith's Gyuto is going to differ slightly from the next. The tip of the knife makes it adept at more intricate tasks like brainwash shallot and garlic, for instance, and also contributes to its performance as a slicing knife as well. The standard 210mm Gyuto is roughly equivalent to 8 inches, which makes it a little bit intimidating and difficult to use for the average home cook. So if you find yourself in this category, we would recommend looking at a Santoku or a bunka. However, if you're an avid home cook and you feel very comfortable using a knife and have decent knife skills already, the Gyuto is something that I would encourage you to try to use, as the added length will make it much more versatile and capable of many more tasks than the Santoku or the bunka. Again, we would consider the 210mm to be the standard size, though the Gyuto is available in shorter sizes at 150 or 180 millimeters, and of course in larger sizes as well, like the 240mm or 270mm, or even longer in some cases. As the length of the knife increases, however, the ease of use decreases, and this is because as the blade length increases, your hand is moving further and further away from the tip of the knife, making it a little bit more difficult to control. If you do master the larger lengths, they will provide you much more versatility, of course, as they'll be able to handle larger ingredients with more ease and will be better performing at the slicing tasks. In my opinion, if you can master the 240mm Gyuto, there's little that knife cannot do. We would also make the argument that a lengthier knife is going to stay sharp for longer as well. And this, in my mind, is because with those shorter blades, you're continually using this same small portion of the blade, causing that portion of the blade to dull much quicker. So with a lengthier knife, you just have more edge to work with. You're going to use parts of your edge for certain tasks, parts of your edge for other tasks, and this will contribute to a longer lasting edge, if that makes sense. So if you're a professional looking to replace your Western style chef's knife, this is definitely the option for you. If you're a home cook and you feel like you can handle a knife with added length, it will highly reward you with added versatility. The Gyuto is the ultimate go-to, all-purpose, do-it-all chef's knife. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more knife-related content, and until the next video, stay sharp.